Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up stop limit orders on Binance. So I just officially logged in my Binance account, and here you will see the option is limit under the buy section. So just tap on this limit option, and after inside you will see the option of stop limit. So just tap on this third option. Stop. Here is the article stop limit, how to use it. You can read it later. So I will just set actual amount to trade of $100, and when I type $100 and the stop limit, my last stop limit is $95 if it goes to loss. So it if it goes from $100 to 95 and loss, then it means your automatic, which is only trade, will stop. So if 95 goes to loss, and if it goes to above $100 or above 100, then it will be buy you the trade automatically. So if this video help you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.